CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is CRCL Internet stock buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief and short 1 minute video. Now, I am the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I say this, people think I'm lying. It's all on my YouTube channel, by the way. And with CRCL Internet Group, I'm gonna be freaking buying as long as there is a shift. Now, what do I mean when I say this? Well, pre-market is a bit lower, and that's kind of expected because we have a lot of liquidity here that it seems like we're gonna freaking catch. And either he comes here, gives me a double break, or I just follow the most recent ranges, which is here. And if I start seeing those shifts, that's when I look for longs. But like randomly buying here, not gonna cut it. I mean, I would go as much as to say that short-term sell side will make a crap more sense, but without any sort of a double break, I'm not gonna look to buy. You know what I mean? So with CRCL, I've got about 33 results in here. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.